When we make decisions about the products we want to buy, the places we want to go, we're basically looking for cues from our friends about what those things should be. And all of us aren't out there trying to market ourselves or try to influence people to go somewhere or do something. But the reality is when we make a decision, we're looking for information, and we want that information to come from people we trust.
So the sponsored stories, what they let advertisers do is take these word-of-mouth recommendations and promote them. So, my friend Joe goes and he checks in to Starbucks. That'll appear on my newsfeed, and I may or may not see it. And what we've seen is that a lot of impressions do get lost because there's so much content coming through. Starbucks can come in and say, I want to promote check-ins to our locations. So when I come to the site, I see the story that my friend checked into Starbucks. Now I can click through, I can like the Starbucks page from that story. And when I like that page, it creates more organic content.
These word-of-mouth recommendations embody many different stories on Facebook. So, for example, for a restaurant, they can be check-ins, or if they have an application, can be user-published application stories.
Anything that one of your friends is seeing as a sponsored story, which features some of your content, is actually something they would have already seen in their newsfeed. A sponsored story never goes to somebody who's not one of your friends.
It's not this message that's saying, you should buy this thing or you should come to this website. It's your friend saying, look, I did this, and I want to tell you about it.
In our pilot cases, sponsored stories really increased a brand lift, especially ad recall and the likeliness to recommend to a friend. So we're very excited about this product.
We wanted to give a way for application developers, page owners, place owners to be able to promote their content that's as core to the user experience as newsfeed. And I think with sponsored stories, we've created that.